Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a bear trap. First, always verify local laws regarding trapping, as regulations vary significantly. Safety is paramount. Wear heavy-duty gloves and eye protection throughout the entire construction process. Remember, these devices are extremely powerful and dangerous if mishandled. We'll focus on the fundamental principles and components, emphasizing responsible and legal use. Next, let's gather the essential components for your bear trap. You'll need 2 robust steel jaws, ideally around 12 inches in length, designed to withstand immense pressure. 2 powerful coil springs are crucial for the trap's closing action, ensuring a quick and decisive snap. A sturdy steel base plate, roughly 10 by 10 inches, will anchor the entire assembly. Finally, a sensitive trigger pan and a reliable locking dog mechanism complete the core parts. Now let's move on to assembly. Begin by securely welding the 2 steel jaws to the base plate, ensuring they pivot smoothly. Next, attach the powerful coil springs to the jaw hinges, making sure they are properly aligned for maximum force. Install the trigger pan and the locking dog mechanism, carefully calibrating its sensitivity. To set the trap, use a specialized setting tool to compress the springs and engage the locking dog, arming the device safely. For placement, select an isolated area far from human or animal trails, ensuring it's legal and safe. Regularly check your trap for any activity, damage, or signs of tampering, always approaching with extreme caution. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. When the trap is not in active use, always disarm and secure it properly to prevent accidental activation. Responsible trapping is crucial for safety and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.